pushed this old boat from St. Louis to New Orleans, through fog so thick you could lean on it, through storms that made strong men pray. 30-odd years of barges and locks, your coffee black as the night, running coal and grain and steel down a big brown vein of life. I know every bend by the feel in my hands, every whistle buoy's cry. I've watched eagles soar and sunsets bleed across a muddy sky, but the company's already talking about my relief coming on board. This last push-up prayer might be the final one the old man's headed for. Well, they remember the miles I gave, all the nights I spent on this rolling wave, or when they lay me down in that riverbank clay. Will the current just carry my name away? I gave my youth to the push and the pull, my back to the load, my heart to the hull. Every milestone I met was one more they let slip away. I never thought they'd overlook all the time and pain that it took to tame that river. Will the current just carry my name?